Hello once again, welcome to example 4 on the perimeter and area of a rectangle that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started learning about the perimeter and area of plane figures where we handled a particular type of plane figure which is the rectangle, and we handled the perimeter of a rectangle and also the area of a rectangle. I've done a detailed explanation on it in the previous videos, and we've solved some examples on it as well, and I hope you all understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you for you to get a better understanding of it. So I will advise that you watch the previous videos, okay, because the previous videos lays the foundation. Particularly the first video, I've done some vital explanation in the first video which you need to know, okay. So do what to watch the first video and also the other videos to get the foundation and the understanding that you need to be able to handle this one as well. As I said, this is a continuation, and you can see this is example 4. It means we've already done example 1, 2 and 3 in the previous videos, okay. So I'm encouraging you to watch them so that handling this one will be easy for you. And please don't forget to like the videos and also share them as well after watching. So let's go ahead and tackle the example 4 that I have on the board. So let's read. It says that example 4, the perimeter of a rectangle is 36 centimeters. Its length is 5 centimeters. Find its width. Okay, so let me read it again. It says the perimeter of a rectangle is 36 centimeters. Its length is 5 centimeters. Find its width. Okay, so we are being asked to find the width of a rectangle whose perimeter is 36 centimeters and the length is 5 centimeters. Okay, so I've explained a lot in the previous videos that anytime you have a word problem question of this nature, all that you have to do is to first read and understand. And now the next step is that after reading and you've understood what the question is asking you to do, the next step is that read again and extract all the information given and write it down. Okay, very important. You don't need to rush it. Questions of this nature are very simple, okay, so don't rush it. Follow the steps that I'm showing you and you see that it's very simple and straightforward. Okay, so now let me write my solution, okay, and let's do it together. Now let's read again and put down all the information that the question is giving us. Okay, it says that the perimeter of a rectangle is 36 centimeters. So we are talking about a rectangle here whose perimeter is 36 centimeters. Okay, so write our perimeter down. Please write the perimeter in full, okay. So don't write only P, write perimeter into brackets P, okay, equals to the 36 centimeters, okay, because it says the perimeter of a rectangle is means equal to, so our perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters, okay. Now let's continue. It says that its length is 5 centimeters, so write your length down, write the length in full, so write length, okay, into brackets L. And please don't write only L. I keep on repeating this one, okay? Because if you write only L, L can represent a lot of things, okay? So don't write only L. Write length info into bracket L so that we know that this L is being defined, okay? So the length is the L, okay? So that we'll know what you are talking about. So the length is given to be 5 centimeters, okay? Please hope you agree with me up to this point. Then we are being asked to find its weight, okay. So let's write the weight down, okay. So the weight, so write the weight info, weight into bracket W equals to question mark, we don't know, okay. We are being asked to find the weight, okay. Now from the information given, okay, you can see that you have been given perimeter, we've also been given the length, and now we are being asked to find the weight. Okay, so now from the information given, the only place you can find the weight from, okay, is the perimeter. Please hope you agree with me, because the perimeter is the only thing that we have here where we can get the weight from, okay, because you know that the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2W. Okay, so when we go into the perimeter, we can get the weight from it. Okay, so let's go to the perimeter. So we have our P equals to 36 because we see the perimeter into bracket P equals to 36. So our P equals to 36. Now in place of P, we can put the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle there, okay, because the P represents the perimeter of a rectangle, okay. So in place of the P, we'll put the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle there, which is 2L plus 2W, okay. So I'll bring my 2L plus 2W. Please hope you agree with me. Equals, then you bring your 36, okay. Please hope you agree with me up to this point, okay. Let me just go over one more time. We have our P equals to 36 because from the question we were given the perimeter P equals 36 centimeter, okay. So we are asked to find the weight, and the only place we can get the weight from is the perimeter, okay. So we go to the perimeter and we get the weight from there. So we come back to the perimeter, the P equals 36, you write it down. Now P here represents perimeter, okay. So in place of P, we can put the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle there, okay, because P represents the perimeter of a rectangle. So in place of the P, I can put the formula there, which is the 2L plus 2W, then equals to the 36. Now the next step is that we are finding for the weight, right? So bring your 2, the 2 and the L here, they are multiplying, okay, but you know the value for L. The L has been given to be 5 centimeters. That's why it is very important to write down all the given information from the question, write them down. Okay, so the length here is 5 centimeters, so we'll put it there. Okay, so the 2 and the L, they are multiplying, and we know that the L is given to be 5 centimeters, which is the length. Okay, so the 2 into bracket 5, okay, then plus 2W, okay, because we don't know the W, that's what we are looking for. Okay, so you just maintain it, write your 2W equals to 36. Please hope you agree up to this point. From here, this becomes a simple linear equation to solve. Okay, you solve for W. Okay, so 2 times 5 gives 10. Let me continue from here. So I have my 10 plus my 2W equals to 36. Okay, from here, just group like terms and solve for W. Okay, so my 2W will be equal to 36 minus 10, because this 10 will cross the equal sign to come and join the 36 here. And don't forget, when anything crosses the equal sign, the sign it has changes. It is positive here. When it crosses, it became negative. Okay, so now my 2W will be equal to 36 minus 10 gives 26. Please hope you agree with me. 26. Now for us to get the W, the value for the W, we just need to divide through by the coefficient of the W, and which is 2. Okay, so I'll divide here by 2 and here also by 2, so that this and this can cancel. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes into the 26 13 times. Okay, so you have your W equals to 13, then you bring your units. Okay, so 13 centimeters. Okay, so this is our final answer. And then you conclude, you say therefore the weight is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, so the only space I have is here, so let me write it here. Okay, let me conclude from the top here. So therefore the weight, okay, the weight into bracket W is equal to 13 centimeters. Okay, so that is how you go about it. Please hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Please don't forget to like the video and also share the video as well. I'll be back on your way again in another video whilst we solve more examples. Bye bye.